is the new Husky Air. Outdoor smart Wi-Fi camera, available in Full HD resolution 2 megapixel or HD resolution 1 megapixel. Integrated siren and strobe light for active defense. Dual external antennas for a long-range Wi-Fi. Night vision up to 30 meters. Built-in two-way audio. Motion detection alerts. Local recording on micro SD card up to 128 gigabytes. Dustproof and waterproof. Let's see what is inside the box. Husky Air camera. Power adapter. Screw kit. Waterproof kit. Mounting template. Quick start guide. Let's configure the camera. Connect the camera to the power outlet using the power adapter. When the camera is ready for setup, the LED indicator will flash red and blue color. Connect your smartphone to Wi-Fi. Download and install the EZVIZ app from the App Store or Google Play. Launch the app, create or register your account following the wizard. To add the camera, tap plus in the home page. Scan the QR code on the body of the camera or on the cover of the Quick Start Guide. Select your network and enter the Wi-Fi password. Turn up the phone volume to send a sound wave containing the information for the connection. Place your smartphone next to the device and wait a few moments. The device is added. Select the correct time zone and date information. Click on View Device to complete configuration. In alternative, for wired connection, connect the camera to the router with a network cable. Husky Air is now functioning. Place the camera outside and find the best angle. Choose between ceiling or wall mounting. You can select and activate from the app alarm and sound notification and set motion detection sensitivity. Thanks to the two-way audio function, you can listen and speak. You just need to activate the microphone. Now you can control what is happening day and night directly from your EZVIZ app. In case of an alarm, you will receive real-time notification on your smartphone. Activate the siren and the strobe light for an active defense. Husky Air is ready to be used.